Well, hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park L Remodelers Club. We're going to take up the E-Flite MPD Commander. Going to have a little bit of fun with her. The wind is a little bit cross breeze, basically out of the southwest, which is that way. For the moment right now it has died, so let's see what we can do. Right, left, up, down, right, left. And
low rates.
you know, we might try low rates right now. Low rates for me are 70% throws with 30% expo. My mid rates are 85 over 30% expo, and my highs are 100% with 30% expo.
Low rates.
So let's try low rates for now. Motor on. Timer is set for 5 minutes. Down. All right. Wonder if
brakes on.
Oh, I do have brakes.
Brakes off.
Yeah, I'd forgotten I'd had braking set up on that. All right. I'm running a 3200 4S in her, just so you're aware. Well, she definitely locked in. Even at 70%, she's got plenty of throw. Let's try high rates now.
High rates.
Yeah.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Mid rates.
Switch back to mid range, which is 85%. Good looking plane. Even with the sky being the same color. I can still see her pretty good, which I was worried about with this plane. I was worried about the coloration, the color scheme, her bleeding out so bad, but not too bad really. So
Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes.
not too bad. All right, not too bad.
Flaps.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right.
High rates.
Switch back to high rates. Handles really well. Even though she's a tail dragger, she does handle pretty good. As long as you don't get in any too big of a hurry. You know, small corrections on that rudder. And when you're turning against the wind, don't turn quickly. You know, the more weight you have, the slower you are in your turn on the ground, the more weight you have on the ground. So less likely for that wind to get up underneath that wing. So, all right. There. High rates. I know I'm a little high. Good flying plane though. Good flying plane. Yeah, I think I'm liking mid-rates better.
Mid-rates.
She's still responsive enough, but not quite as jerky.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right.
Flaps up.
Let's try taking off in the grass.
Takeoff flaps.
Now I'm putting takeoff flaps in the grass because I want to get up off that ground as quick as possible. Uh-oh.
High rates.
Yeah. I don't want to goose it and then just eat the, because this grass is very lush and very thick. We've had a lot of, oh gosh, it's thick. All right, motor off. Move back over to the pavement here, or the geotech. Okay.
Motor on.
And like I said, I'm running a 3200 4S. Yeah. The wind continually shifts.
Landing flaps. Mid-rates.
There we go.
Flaps up.
Yeah, and I know y'all say, well, all you do is land and take off and land and take off. Yep, that's what I like to do. Whoa. Land against the wind then, or took off against the wind. And when you do that, you have a lot less control. So.
Landing flaps.
Bring her by slowly.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Get a good look at her. Landing flaps are in. Good looking plane, man, I tell you what. I just wish my wonderful camera lady could be here to film for me. But she had to work today. So y'all have to
30 seconds.
put up with my inability to zoom. Because it's very hard to fly a plane, focus the camera,
Flaps up.
and zoom all at the same time. Now, if I had 4 hands, you know, and 2 heads so that I could pay attention to the camera and flying, then maybe I could do it. But, oh, I didn't took throttle cut when I touched the plane. Well, shame on me. But it's kind of hard to do that. Kind of hard to film and zoom and narrate and focus all at the same time. So, all right, one more time.
20 seconds. Landing flaps.
Yeah, this is just a fun plane.
9, 8, 7, 6.
Just a fun plane.
3, 2, 1. Time expired. Flaps up. Landing flaps.
Didn't like that landing. I didn't want her to stall at that altitude, so I'm going to go around. Should have plenty of battery life left. I'm running a 3200 4S, so There we go. All right.
Motor off.
And let's take a look at this fancy technology we've got. Yeah, now see on here, the temperature for the ESC is 143 degrees, and I got just about a third of a battery left. So I'm good with that. I'm very good with that. So yeah, I'm good with that. All right, so that's not too bad. And that's after flying hard for 5 minutes and 17 seconds. So a lot of landings and takeoffs. So I'm pleased with that.
Flaps up.
Well, anyways, there you go, folks. That is the E-Flite MPD Commander, the new one. Runs on 3S or 4S, 2200 up to a 3200 of the 3S or 4S. Performance is not very much a beast on 4S, but not a slouch on 3S for sure. Just set, you know, for a 2200, set your timer for 4 minutes. If you're running a 3200, set your timer for 5 minutes. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. And I wish my camera lady could have filmed for me today. Bye.